Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make French nougat. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including honey, sugar, egg whites, and your choice of nuts like almonds or pistachios. Prepare your workspace by lining a baking pan with parchment paper and having a reliable candy thermometer on hand. Precise measurements are key for this delightful confection. Next, we'll create the crucial syrup base. Begin by heating your honey to exactly 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Simultaneously, in a separate saucepan, cook your sugar and water until it reaches 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Once both syrups are at their target temperatures, carefully and slowly pour the hot honey into the sugar syrup, stirring gently to combine them thoroughly. Now for the magic. While your syrup cools slightly, whip your egg whites to stiff, glossy peaks in a stand mixer. With the mixer running on low, slowly and steadily drizzle the hot syrup mixture into the whipped egg whites. Continue mixing until well combined, then gently fold in your toasted nuts and any dried fruits you desire, like cranberries or apricots, for extra flavor and texture. Finally, press the warm nougat mixture firmly and evenly into your prepared baking pan, aiming for about 1 inch in thickness. Let it cool completely at room temperature for several hours, or even overnight, before cutting it into desired pieces. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade French nougat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.